Hi, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care, and in this video we're going to be looking at a new range we've brought on to Ultimate Floor Care, which is the IKSprayers. So we have here the Multi Pro 9, and then we all have here the Inox SST6. Two different types here. We've got here a 9 litre polycarbonate plastic one, and then we've got the 6 litre stainless steel one. We're going to open them up, have a look in them, and then we'll walk through what needs to be used with which sprayer. So we'll start with this one here. So here we have the body of the sprayer. Let's put the lance and the hose together first. So in this little packet here you will have your hose, 2 different nozzles, and you'll also have a strap. So what you want to do with your handle is you want to put your lance on there first. It's just a screw-on system. Doesn't matter what side you put on, but just screw that up nice and tightly. Next you want to get your hose, and then just put one of the edges, and it's just a screw-on again on the edge there. From there, the other end of your hose, go into the unit here and just make sure it's all nice and tight so it's airtight. Next you have your different nozzles here. We've got your flat type nozzle, and then we've got also your thinner type nozzle. When using it in the flooring industry, I'd always recommend to use the flat one just so you can get more surface area when you're spraying. So I'm going to pop that on there, and it's just as simple as the rest of it, and it's just screw in the top there. So now we've got the handle and we've got the hose on here. The way you want to use this is at the top here. If to put your product in there, you want to just keep twisting it anti-clockwise, and then the handle will come out. Inside there you have where you can put your product. And to put it back in, you need to just tighten it back up clockwise. Now to engage the pump part of this, you just want to give it a little turn backwards, and that will engage that. It's just a case of pumping it up. Once this is pumped up all the way, this will be around about 3 bars of pressure. And then to put this handle back in, you just sort of lock it in place and give it a little twist. When you're finished using this sprayer, you'll have to empty it of the pressure, just so you haven't got pressure build up. If it gets too hot, then obviously it's going to expand. So you have on the sides here at the back a little nozzle, so you'll just pull that up to release the air, and you can just turn it, and that's releasing the air. One of the points I want to make about this sprayer is it'll also come with these little ID cards. So when you have these ID cards, they're so great for writing what's in the actual sprayer. So you'll just slide it in there. Saves you getting to the back of the van, picking up the wrong sprayer with the wrong product in, because that could end badly. We've discussed it's a 9 litre container. Now with this product, there is a chart which I will put onto the comments as well, just to show what products you can use in here. Now this specific one can be used with neutral products and also some acids. What the limitations is with this is solvent based products. It's mainly for the casing and also the hose and the nozzles. So if you're having anything that's solvent based, highly solvent, this will not be the one. But for something that's going to be a neutral, for instance a neutral cleaner, or even just water, in the wood floor sanding industry, lots of people use these on site for the water popping. It just gets the right consistency and the right spray of water on the floor, ready for oiling after. You can also put your neutral cleaners in here because they are pH neutral, so the balance is absolutely fine for these types of sprayers. Carpet cleaners can use this as well, as long as you're not using something that's very highly solvent that can go in here. The nozzles will need to be replaced now and then. Here at Ultimate Floor Care we do have a stock of the different nozzles. So the last feature on this sprayer is the strap. So this will come with 2 pins and of course your strap. So the way that this is fixed onto the sprayer, so outside here you have 2 slots. So what you want to do is just get your strap and put it into the slots. Once it's been pushed all the way through, you get one of your pins, you put that through, and that will just stop the strap from coming back through. So we'll do that the other side. So now you can put this over your shoulder and work with it strapped to your side. Now we've gone through the IK Multi Pro 9 spray, we're now going to have a look at the Inox Stainless Steel. I'm going to put this aside and then get that one out of the box. So now we're moving on to the IK Inox Stainless Steel 6 litre sprayer. So you can see it's a bit different to the other one that we supply. So it's a bit more of a sturdier structure, and all the components are stainless steel. And as you can see, the hose is different. Now the reason this one's slightly different is because of the product that you can hold in the sprayer. So this one is specifically for solvents and oil and petroleum based products. In comparison to the other one, this one's going to be the best one for them sort of products. So if you're putting a solvent based stain, for instance, on a floor, you could use this sprayer here. If you're putting a solvent based protector like the fibre protector we are going to be stocking very soon, then this will be the correct sprayer for that sort of use. So the same as the last one, we're just going to put the trigger and the lance on and then connect the hose up. So with this spray, it's the same sort of thing. If you're going to be wanting to remove the top to put your product in, you want to turn it anti-clockwise. And then the handle and the stem will come out. Let's tighten it back up, you go clockwise. Always make sure the pressure is left before you remove this handle. If you want to pull the handle up to pump the pressure in there, you just want to push it down and then twist it. It's ready to be pumped up. Instead of having the plastic clip on the side, this one has a red one here, so we're just going to pull that up. Release the pressure. On the side here we also have a pressure gauge. So this one is made for use to up to 6 bar. On the pressure gauge it does go up to 10. From 6 to 10 it is in the red zone, so that's going to mean that there's way too much pressure in there, especially working with solvent based products. That is a no-no. So I'm just going to remove all the pressure from this. So there we have it, there's the IKSprayers we now stock here at Ultimate Floor Care. Just an overcap of them, we have your IK Multi Pro 9s, so great thing for water popping, things like that, and your neutral cleaners. And we have the Inox Stainless Steel 6, which is going to be for your solvent based products, i.e. your solvent based stains, and also things like your Fibre Protect solvent based protector for carpet cleaning. So yeah, now in stock at Ultimate Floor Care. Thank you.